It started back in July 2020. My husband got sick. He was sick for about 2 days, a day and a half, just went to sleep. Really nothing bad, had a little fever. And I kind of suspected it might be COVID. And I'll never forget, he went to bed one night and wanted to give me a kiss. And I said, no. I said, don't kiss me, please. I said, you might have that disease. He kissed me anyway. 2 days later, 3 days later, I started feeling sick. Since then, I call it the kiss of death, because I got so sick. It just spread. It went into both lungs. It was something I've never experienced ever in my life. I thought I was gonna die. I really did. I couldn't walk up the stairs. It's like my brain wasn't connecting with my body. I would go to the bathroom and I would sit on the toilet for like 20 minutes because I could not mentally get myself to get up. I would have to rock and then grab the sink and hold on just to get my legs up. We have an upstairs and downstairs. Bedrooms are upstairs. I had to sleep downstairs on a air bed because I could not walk up the stairs. My legs just wouldn't do it. It was really weird. I didn't think I was going to survive. Honestly, I couldn't think. I'm surprised I made it. I really thank my doctor, Dr. Taryn. She was my strength. She helped me through this.
Lisa, she is such a wonderful woman. When I first met Lisa, it was in the beginning when COVID started, and to be truthful, it was scary for all of us, and she had got COVID and she nearly died. I mean, she could barely walk, she could barely breathe. She was discharged from Kootenai to my care, so the first day I met her, she was just so scared, and your heart just goes out to people when, because you're scared for them, and not knowing really what to do in COVID necessarily. I mean, you go back on your experience, but I just knew that she needed us.
She was mean. Well, she wasn't mean. She made me cry, but she made me think. She didn't lie. She was just telling me the truth. She asked me, what is your oxygen up to? I said, number 5. And that's the highest it goes in the house on the little machine. If I could, I would have had it at 10. And she right away, well, if you're not going to be trying, what are you trying to do? Put yourself in an early grave, and you need to, you have nowhere to go but down now. You can't go up anymore. You're at 5. You have to start caring about what you're doing and thinking about yourself and your life. And I literally was crying on the phone, and she made me cry, but she really helped me.
We have the pleasure as nurses to speak with patients, and oftentimes we just have to say it how it is. You have to speak the truth to people, and sometimes it is difficult to hear what needs to be said, but it's such a pleasure to get to speak health to people and for them to be able to receive it. And not always is that the case, and sometimes people don't want to hear the things that will help them get better. But fortunately in this situation, Lisa was able to hear that and respond well to that.
I know Heritage saved my life, because especially with that phone call with Jaunel, I was ready to go. I didn't care anymore. I was tired of feeling sick. I was tired of not breathing. And then, like she said, if I have a hard time, if I'm going up the stairs, turn it to 5, but turn it back down, or turn it to 4, but turn it back down. And I started doing that, and it worked. It helped. It was a harsh reality with Jaunel on the phone. It was tough.
Yeah, I don't think I'll ever forget Lisa, because she was like my first severe COVID patient, and we walked through that together. And, you know, I think we'll always probably have that bond.
She was there for me all the time. Anytime I called, I was able to email her. I remember one time she called me on a Saturday just to check on me. She basically held my hand, comforted me, let me know everything was going to be okay. Anything I needed, doctor's notes for work, I was able to get them. She's number one to me. She really helped me through this. Between her, Jaunel, and everybody else that works here at Heritage, every time I came in, everybody was there for me.